All right, we are on day number 19 of the 2022 Lego Star Wars Advent Calendar. As you can see, we've got all the other days here in front of us, along with the pile of extra pieces. So if you have extra pieces, don't worry. And if you've got questions on how to put these together, I've got all those other videos available on the channel. All right, so number 19 here. Let's go ahead and do this together. Is that a ATST I see there? Or is that an ATAT? We'll see. Or an AT-AT, depending on your age and how long you've been a Star Wars fan. We'll figure this thing out. It looks like an AT-AT. Looks like an AT-AT walker to me, but we'll figure this out. All right, so we've got a base. We've got... It's going to be fun figuring this guy out. All right. Okay, so... Looks like it's only got a set of single legs, so this will be fun. All right, so we need a base, foot, I guess this is going to be this, and then this. These will be our feet, it looks like. It looks like it's maybe going to the back. No, these are the feet. Okay, these are the feet. And then this will be a leg. And then we'll need another leg. And that, it looks like it's going like that. And then we're going to need something to bring it together. Interesting. Figure this thing out here. How are those going to be jointed together? All right. Well, this is definitely on top. I like to do these in a way that makes sense to me. And then this goes here. Okay. And then we're going to do this like this. And then this like this. Okay, so that's the top. We've got this, and then we've got then we've got this over here. And then this will go on top of that. Okay, that's coming together. I'm just not sure how this is supposed to work. I mean, unless it is an ATST. Actually, let's do that. That's got to be what it is. All right, so we'll do this, and then this. There we go. Okay, that makes more sense now. Which is why it's got one leg up, and so this can go like this. Actually, we'll probably do it like this, the way it gets balanced. All right, that makes more sense now. All right. That is a very tricky little beast there. Okay, so we've got 3 extra pieces, so we'll put those guys over there. All right, so that was day number 19. Moving on, tomorrow we'll do day number 20 together.